Hi viewers, in this lecture we discussed about the if statement and if else statement with examples. So let's start our lecture. First of all we see the if statement. Here you can see the definition of the if statement. It is used to execute the statement or skip the statement by checking the condition. It is the condition based statement. It is a decision making statement. It's make the decision by checking the condition. Here the syntax or the rule of the if statement. If the condition is true, then it executes the statement. It's mean it executes only when the condition is true. When condition becomes false, it terminates the statement and move on the next line cursor. So let's see the flowchart of the if statement. The flowchart of the if statement, it clears our concept. Here the start, program has been start, and the control moves on the condition and check the condition. If the condition is true, then it executes the true statement, and when condition becomes false, then it terminates the statement and directly move on the end of the program. So let's see the example of the if statement. You can see in the program body we declare a variable marks. Printf, the function is used to display a message into your marks, and then we use the scanf function to take the input from the user that's stored in marks. Now let's suppose the value that's entered by the user is 60. 60 is stored in the marks variable and 60 is compared than 50. That's it in condition. As we know that 60 is greater than 50, so condition it becomes true, then it execute and display the message that's we written. Now here we return the you have passed in last printf function. So it display the message you have passed. Now we discussed about the if else statement. First of all we see its definition, then its syntax and flowcharts of the if else statement. In the definition we discuss it executes the one block of code when condition is true and other block when condition becomes false. The syntax and its working of the if else statement, it executes the one block when condition is true. If condition is true, then it executes the first statement just written if, and then if the condition is false, then it moves on the else part and executes the else statement. The flowchart of the if else statement, first of all it checks the condition. If condition is true, then it executes the if statement, and when condition becomes false, then it move on the else part and execute the else statement. Then program has been end. Here the example of the if else statement. In the program body we use the same program for best understanding, but now we use if else statement. Now let's see how the program works by using if else statement. Here we declare the variable marks and print the message into the marks, and then we take the marks from the user and then compare these marks by condition. Here let's suppose the marks that entered by the user is 40. So let's see, 40 marks is less than 50, then it not obey the condition, if condition. So the cursor move on the else part and execute the else statement. In the else statement you can see we return the message you are failed. So then it displays the message you are failed. I hope you can bestly understand the if and if else statement. If you like this video, you understand, then do not forget to subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks.